guys, so let's address the problem at hand. So here if you see, the problem is one kid is not clear on how to find the area of a circle, and the other kid probably is clear but does not know how to explain it to her, or how do we find the solution or write down the solution on the paper. And this is a generic problem which I have come across, that students are not clear on how to start the solution and how to end it. So let's see how do we do that. So always start with writing the formula or equation of what has been asked. In this case they are asking find the area of a circle. Let's write down the area of a circle formula, which is pretty simple. It's pi r square. Now if you see, the area of a circle is dependent on radius. So the problem now shifts from area of circle, finding area of circle, to finding the radius. Finding the radius, or which I call finding the missing piece, will be founded with the help of information given in the question. So if you see, one part of the question says circumference of a circle is 88 centimeter. Obviously it has been given, so that we use it. So the second step would be to find the missing piece, and to find the missing piece we are going to use the information given in the question, which is circumference of circle. Again, the formula is pretty simple. It's 2 pi r. Remember, substitute the value of the circumference in its place. Do not change sides, do not switch anything, just copy down the value in its place. This is called structuring, and structuring is important because it makes your solution look neater and clearer to understand. Now this is basic calculation. To find the radius, I'm gonna switch sides, so that's why I'm putting an or letter here, which means I am switching sides. Radius will be equals to 88 divided by 2 pi, or radius is equals to 88 divided by 2 times 22 by 7. Here the value of pi is 22 by 7. We can also use it as 3.14 depending on the numbers. So right now we have whole numbers, we don't have decimals, so we are going to use 22 by 7. Now we can divide it. So before we start the simplification, I want to write this as an improper fraction. So the 7 will go up. If you guys are aware of the division rule of fractions, the lowermost denominator goes to the top. Now let's cancel them out. So 88 is divisible by 22 as a whole, meaning the remainder will be 0 when you divide 88 by 22. Then again 4 is divisible by 2. Finally the radius comes out to be 14 centimeter. Box your answers. Why boxing? Because you are telling the examiner, if you are not interested in checking my solution, here is the answer. And trust me, this happens that most of the times, or sometimes the examiner is a little tired and they want to directly check the answers. So you are also highlighting the answers which are important. Okay, now since we have found the radius, so to find the area, it's very simple. You take this value and you put it in this equation, and here we have our area. So area of a circle equals to, we are gonna replace pi as 22 by 7, radius as 14 square. Now some of you might write 14 square as 196. Don't do that. It's always easier to divide first and multiply later, because it will save you some effort. Now here we will go and multiply 28 by 22 and we'll get an answer. So 2 times 8 is 16. This will become 56. It's the same value, 56 again. 616. There's our area. It is 616 centimeters square. Box your final answer, but I'm going to change the color. I like this green color. And you give a signature as answer. This shows a little bit of confidence that here is my answer, and you give the signature. Also, it's easier to locate the answer. Some students just leave the answer as it is. It's not easy to find when the examiner is checking 50 or 100 copies. So if you make their life easier, they will probably give you grace marks, or they will probably ignore your silly mistakes.